Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me Munib Raza from Graphics Gallery. So today I am here again with an amazing tutorial of Illustrator. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a calligraphy, how to type in Urdu or Arabic in the Illustrator, and how to create an amazing logo with this calligraphy. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, create a new window, and whatever size. If you are new here, you can check these descriptions. Okay, just create it and this window will show you. Okay, now first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the Urdu keyboard in your computer, and I have given the link in the description. You can check it, and then after extracting you will get this, and just run as an administrator and it will install in your computer, and it will show you. Okay, let me show you. Okay, it is already installed in my PC. Okay, here is the Urdu and English keyboard. Two keyboards are installed in my PC, and you have to select Urdu keyboard and type tool. Okay, just click here, and you have to do two checks. Okay, edit and go to preferences. Okay, and then type, and you have to check the show indic options. It must be checked. Okay, and now type Urdu is select. Okay, just type whatever you want. Okay, you can check these are typing very well. Okay, just press Ctrl T. Okay, just click here. First of all, go to paragraph and just now click on these three lines and make sure that Middle Eastern and South Asian single line composer is checked. If it is not checked, your text will individually show. Okay, so now if you have any query still, now you can inbox me in the comment. Now I will show you about the calligraphy. Now select the brush tool and it is working. Okay, now go to here. Okay, just create a new brush. You make sure calligraphy is select, press OK, and angle should be 60 degree. Type 60, and roundness should be about 5%, 6%. Okay, it's fine, and then press OK. Okay, now you can check it's working. Okay, now how it's I am using mouse and how it is very smooth to use. Now I am gonna show you in practical work by creating a logo. So select the brush tool and smoothly use it. Okay, it's fine. Now select the text tool, click here, make sure Urdu is selected, and select the font. Font should be Al Amjad. Okay, it's fine. Okay, just type I if and L. Okay, just select all and again select the Al Amjad font. Okay, it's fine. One part is ready, another part is ready. Okay, now create again text tool and type Shift H and then press A. Okay, select all of them and change the font to Deco type. It's fine. Almost fine. Okay, fine. Second part is also ready. Okay, now select again text and press A and select it all, and now change the font to Deco type. Now we have created all our parts and now we have to modify them, and I am going to change their size. It will be visible too easily. Okay, now I will just modify it by using the curvature tool and just brush tool. Okay, select the brush tool and just zoom it a little bit and make sure it's fine. Now it's fine. Go to object, go to path, and go to outline stroke. Okay, now select all of it. Now just make them group and place here. Now it's come here. Now create outline, and then ungroup it. Ungroup it, and now release the compound path and delete it. We don't need it. Okay, now select it and make them, go to here, Pathfinder, and weld them. Now select this text and place here, and now rotate a little bit. Okay, it's fine here. Now